This video covers how to add hyperlinks into merge rules when creating a mail merge document or email in Microsoft Word. It does not cover the entire mail merge process or the different types of merge rules. In this example, we've already created a mail merge email in Microsoft Word and connected it to its data source and started adding fields. We need to add a rule so that there are two different messages, whether the person is a student or employee. And to do that, we're going to use rules. So if we go up to Mailings and go to Rules, we'll use the if-then-else rule type and change this so that if the role is equal to employee, they'll get this message. Otherwise, they'll get this message. So we've added our messages. This one, again, is going to be sent if the person is marked as an employee. This one will be sent if it's something other than employee. And considering we only have employees and students in this database, this will be a message for either one of those two options. Now in our case, we really want to have UWIT Training Catalog link to the actual web catalog of courses. Now we could put the entire URL or web address here, but there are two problems with that. One, it still will just be plain text. It won't be a link. And two, it might not be as obvious as saying UWIT Training Catalog. So in my case, I actually want to hyperlink this text to the web page. Unfortunately, the tools for creating merge rules do not allow you to add those links. So how do we do that? Well, we continue building this rule, and we'll see that the rule has been put in here. And we can see the rule and edit the rule by pressing Alt F9. Now we see all of the code for the different fields and different rules and different elements of mail merge. So this is what's happening in the background of your mail merge. And you can see here's your rule. If the merge field role is equal to employee, then this is the message that will be sent. Otherwise, this is the message that will be sent. So that's our rule. We want UWIT Training Catalog to be hyperlinked. Or if we had a URL here, we would want that to be hyperlinked to the actual website. So how do we do that? Well, we highlight the text that we want to link. We go to Insert, we find the Link option, and choose Insert Link. This is the text that will be displayed. This is the address that it will go to. So I'm going to type in my URL, verify that it's correct, click OK, and now you'll see that the rule has been changed so it includes a hyperlink to this address right here. That's what this code means. When I press Alt F9 or function 9 again, there's our rule. So we could go back into Mailings and take a look at a preview. And in the preview, note that it doesn't look like it's actually a link. Usually it's blue, it's underlined. If you put your cursor on it, it shows you where it's going to. But in the preview, it will not show a hyperlink. So we're going to go ahead and send this to see if the hyperlink works. This will be my test message to the email addresses. And I'm going to send it to everybody. And I'll click OK. And it will have sent out multiple emails. Let's see if that worked. It looks like I received the message. And it looks like this is a hyperlink. Let's see if it works. I put my cursor on it. It looks like a hyperlink, and I click on it, and it brings up the catalog. So our hyperlink worked. Remember that you can add and edit hyperlinks to your merge rules by pressing Alt F9 or function 9. You can edit existing hyperlinks by going into the rule and making adjustments. You can add new hyperlinks by highlighting text and inserting a link.